uh, what's going on at all my duties and dudettes? We're back again with another unboxing. This unboxing is going to be for a Supreme item that came out just like about last week. Here's the packaging, just plain straight old. Let's see here. Grab my little key knife, and let's just, as they say in the suburbs. Yep, I don't know what the fuck they say in the suburbs. It's always so difficult to open these. There you go, package, or bag. Nothing else in there. Smells like glue. Safety's #1 priority. Here we go. And let's just, a couple of box logo stickers. No pack this time. Freaky pack. Yeah, those are the only 2 stickers. And here it is. The Zippo diamond plate. This just came out. And there it is, made in the USA. Obviously it has the things for a Zippo lighter. Yeah, pretty sleek. The top and bottom is like a kind of like matte black, or some. It might be silver actually. Yeah, it's silver. Nothing really special about it other than just, it's saying Supreme and it having that diamond metal plate type of design on it. Yeah. Pretty good. I'd rate it about fucking 7 out of 10. 6 or 7 out of 10. The design looks pretty good on this, not gonna lie. Yeah. Very nice.